But the carrot in there.
What did I make a deal with you guys? We're gonna make popsicles.
Where's mommy?
Mommy's downstairs, but I think she's gonna join us here in just a minute. Promise you guys we'd make popsicles, and what else are we gonna try to do today? What else are we gonna try to do today?
Make titles.
Tie-dye shirts.
Maybe this one? It's kind of like hard.
Let me just see how much we need here. So this says direct, so it'll be our large glass pitcher, okay? Then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar.
I can still be a baby.
Okay, so Kai, you can pour the first one in.
Add cold water and ice to make 2 quarts. So is there a...
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
All right, go ahead, pour it in. Here, I'll let you smell this one.
Ew.
Add cold water on the handle. You can sell lemonade. You guys want to sell lemonade?
What are these? Our neighbors come. Big one.
Put them in. Start stirring. Good job.
Good job. Well, you have to be careful because you don't want to spill that one. You have 3 and Cecile do 3.
Just put it really slow. Okay. Good job.
Watch me.
Okay, you.
The amount. Slow. Good job.
Now, Mama. This one.
Okay, go. Wait, go.
Okay, it's my
Good
turn.
job.
And one more to do. My turn. I need to do one more than this one. I need to.
You gonna stir it for me?
I'll do this spoon. I'll do this spoon.
Okay, you want to do that spoon? And we're gonna pour this in. Okay. Okay, stop. Oh, we almost had enough.
I hate all it.
So then we put, who's this?
Mickey.
Right here. We put Mickey on. Who's this? Duck.
I will do Poodle.
Good job. You want to put them in the freezer? Let Daddy move something out of the way. Here, I'll move these out of the way. And you just set them right there. Yeah, that goes in. Yep, just like that. Okay.
Let me get down.
Oh, hold on. Let me grab it first. Put it in.
Put the carrot in there.
Oh, we leave it in there? Kai wants to show you that the popsicles are done. All right, Kai, here, I'll hand them to you.
I look. Oh my.
All right, and we'll eat them in a little bit.
So for youth sizes,
Mom, some puzzles.